Meet George. He owns a small business and he'd like to have a huge marketing budget to grow his business. He knows how to make customers happy and does a good job, but his marketing budget is limited. Traditional direct mail can canvass an area, but it's expensive and doesn't always provide the greatest return on investment. But what if George gave his best customers the opportunity to talk about his business to their neighbors? George could grow his business through word-of-mouth marketing, and that'd be pretty cool, right? Well, starting that conversation is what we do. With Nextdoor, George can produce a precisely targeted, personalized direct mail campaign through his smartphone, tablet, or computer. It's simple. All he'll do is enter his customer's address and pick a marketing message. He then will confirm the number of neighbors he'd like to target. We do the rest. We provide the addresses, print, and mail his campaign to the best possible next customers. Our online design studio will ensure that George can create and manage his own marketing messages. We maintain his prospect list for future mailings and will track his campaign success. The best part is with our simple web-based tools, George will know which marketing messages are working. Growing a business requires marketing, and with the right tools and the know-how to use them, George will be able to grow his business.